guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and you're watching the Majara Traveler. For the last couple of days, the weather in Pune has been so good. It's either raining or it's cloudy the entire day. So we just thought that maybe we could go for an early morning drive and we could explore some places in Pune that is full of greenery. So there's this place in Kharadi that we found out, and I've been there for a couple of times, and it is personally my favorite because it is full of greenery. There are trees, there are bushes, there are grass, and it gives you a different kind of freshness that you need for the day. Nature, I think, is the best source of oxygen that you can get, and today's time when oxygen is such important for us, so there's no better way than to actually go to any place which offers so much of fresh oxygen and fresh air as well. So let's not waste time and let's get started with the morning drive. Clear's on, let's leave.